Moms, alam natin na sometimes mahirap magdala ng hot meals or snacks for the kids habang busy sa school runs or errands. That's why I love the Dealer Mini Food Jar. Made with 316 stainless steel, safe and durable, keeps food hot or cold for hours. Perfect for soups, porridge, or small snacks. The 150 ml size is just right for little hands kaya hindi mabigat sa bag nila. Leak-proof lid din, so walang tapon kahit naka-backpack or stroller bag. Lightweight and portable, kahit short trips, playground, or lunch at school, swak na swak. Stylish pa rin ang design, kaya kahit daily use, comfortable at hassle-free dalhin. For moms na gusto ng practical, safe and convenient na paraan na para sa meals ng kids, Dealer Mini Food Jar is a total lifesaver.